Downloading your HSBC bank statement in PDF format is typically straightforward and can be done through the bank's online banking platform or mobile app. Here's a guide. Log in. Visit the HSBC website or open the HSBC mobile app on your device. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Navigate to Statements. Once logged in, navigate to the section of the website or app where you can access your account statements. This may be labeled as Statements, Documents, or Account History. Select Statement Period. Choose the specific account for which you want to download the statement and select the period for which you need the statement. You can typically choose between monthly statements or a custom date range. Download as PDF. Look for the option to download the statement and select PDF as the file format. Click on the download button or link to initiate the download process. Save file. Once the download is complete, the PDF statement will usually open in a new browser tab or window. You can then save the PDF file to your computer or device by clicking on the download icon or using the Save As option. Review and store. Review the downloaded PDF statement to ensure it contains the correct information. You can then store it digitally on your device or print a hard copy for your records.